Greeting to you all. Welcome to E Kadaria at E English Grammar. So today we are going to see about future tense. Simple future tense. So there are few different ways in the English so that you can talk about the future. So we generally use will and going to speak about future. So in simple future, used to refer to action that will happen in the future. So the future tense shows an action that will take place in the future. So there are two patterns in making a sentence in the simple future. So these are will and be going to. So let's see. Let's start with will. So in making a positive simple future statement using will, the pattern is subject plus will plus base form of the verb. So let's see the example. You will buy new shoes. In the second example, they will attend class tomorrow. So here in this example, you and they is the subject. So buy and attend is the verb in the base form. So next, negative sentence. So for negative sentence, the pattern is subject plus will not or won't plus verb in the base form. So here won't, you remember won't is a contraction of will not. So for example, you will buy new shoes. So in negative form, how you can change the sentence? You won't buy new shoes. So next second example, see the second one. They will attend class tomorrow. So in negative sentence, you should change they won't attend class tomorrow. So here, you won't buy new shoes. So they won't attend the class tomorrow. So in negative form, you should add not. So next, we will go into the question. Next, the question structure is will plus subject plus verb in the base form. Let's see the example. You will buy new shoes. Okay, in question structure, how you can change? So, will you buy new shoes? At end of the sentence, you put the question mark. And the second example, they will attend class tomorrow. So, in question, how you should change into the question pattern, question sentence? So, will they attend class on tomorrow? So, at end of the sentence, put the question mark. So, the pattern is must same over. So, will is the before the sentence this time. So, it making a positive simple future statement using be going to. The pattern is subject plus am or is and or plus going to plus verb in the base form. So let's see the example. She is going to visit her brother in Canada. I am going to call her. So she is going to visit her brother in Canada. I am going to call her. So she and I is the subject. So is and am is the be verb. So going to visit and call. Visit and call is the verb. So these are the example. Next, negative sentence. In negative sentence, what is the pattern? So next, in negative sentence, the pattern is subject plus am or is or not plus going to plus verb in the base form. So this is the structure of negative sentence. Let's see the example. She is going to visit her brother in Canada. So in negative sentence, you should add not. So she is not going to visit her brother in Canada. So next sentence, so see the next example, I am going to call her. So in negative, how you should change? You can add not in the sentence. I am not going to call her. So these are the example of negative sentence. You should change into negative. Next, questioning. So for the question, the structure is am or is or plus subject plus going to plus base form of the verb. So example, she is going to visit her brother in Canada. So how you can change into the question? So is she going to visit her brother in Canada? So at end of that, while framing the question, at end you should put the question mark. So this is the question structure, framing the sentence. Okay, next sentence. I am going to call her. How we should change into question? I going to call her. At the end of the sentence you put the question mark. So let's see the example. So making in the simple, just simple we only put be verb. So is and am or the before sentence. So we just follow this. Okay. So next we will see the exercise. For our exercise, so make positive and negative statements and questions using the simple future tense. Okay. So see the first example. So she will be a doctor soon. So in negative sentence, how you should change? She won't or will not. She won't a doctor soon. So in question, will she be a doctor soon? Okay. So go into the second example. In the positive sentence, you will marry me. How you should change in negative form? You will not marry me or you won't marry me. So same sentence, how you should change into question? Will you marry me? So at end of the sentence you put the question mark. While beginning of the sentence, you should put will while framing the question. And then last one, the president will allow this. In the negative form, the president will not allow this or the president won't allow this. So same thing in question, will the president allow this? So this is the pattern of framing simple future tense, using simple future tense. So I think everyone understood the topic. So read well. Thank you.